Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger than a whole team.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Thank you all for tuning into the channel. I want to say I really appreciate the support from everybody. The channel has been growing lately and I'm just appreciative of it all. Now the competition, the free t-shirt competition has finished. I made a video yesterday with the draw showing you guys how I selected the winners for the competition. You can check out that video. Two winner. I wanted to select a male and a female winner. There wasn't any males. So I selected two female winner. I purchased their t-shirt and sent it out to them already, so they'll be getting their t-shirt in a few days time. So I want to say thanks to all the new subscribers as well. Remember to give the videos give the video a thumbs up and subscribe and share for more. Alright, let's get into the actual video today. So today I want to talk about love. Yes, I want to talk about love. And the question that I have is, does it make sense to love somebody even if they don't love you? But we're going to look at the pros and the cons. I'm just going to go in depth and give my opinion on it. And you guys can do the same in the comment section below. So I do believe that we can love people regardless of their circumstances or regardless of their looks or whatever it might be. I think we all have the choice. We choose to do what we want to do with our lives. Some of us love unconditionally, some of us love at a distance, some of us love halfway. And that's just the reality. A lot of us love people regardless of what the situation might be, because that's what we choose to do. Like, naturally, it's a choice that you make with yourself. A lot of people are not aware of that. A lot of people deny it. A lot of people don't understand that. So as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by my Spotify. So I was saying, people love, for different reasons. People love because they want to love somebody unconditionally. They love because that's, they're right. They can choose who they want to love. They can choose what they want to do with their heart. However, sometimes it makes no sense to love somebody unconditionally or love somebody wholeheartedly without getting back that same energy in return. Because we're giving them so much energy, we're giving so much of ourselves to this individual, and we're not getting that in return. As a child growing up, we look forward to our parents coming home. We look forward to getting hugs and kisses from our parents. We look forward to love. We're creatures that are addicted to love. We love to be compassionate. We love to be cared for. We love to be supported and appreciated. If we win an award, we want to, feel that love and receive, appreciation and joy. We feel joy from being appreciated. So for someone to love us, we will feel good. So it's like a one-way street. Everybody going down on that street. And that's how it is. But when you love somebody and somebody love you the same, that can be a pro, because both of you being on the same wavelength, communication wise, understanding, alright, I love you, you love me, we're going to work together, we're going to build together, I'm going to be there for you, I'm going to show you, what love is. You're going to get back that same energy, so you kind of look forward to that. You're less depressed. A lot of people that love an individual and not receive that same love, sometimes they're miserable even though they're doing a good deed by loving that individual. But it's senseless in a way to just love somebody and don't receive that love. Think about it's like me just getting up every day and like showing somebody love 24 hours 365, and then nowhere in that year I receive any love from that person or even acknowledgement to say, hey, I appreciate that you love me and you're there for me and care for me. And I want to say thank you. Like, you can't tell them thank you. You know what I mean? They can tell you thank you because you've been doing, but you can't, tell them thank you. And sometimes we have to realize that we're in this situation. Some people don't realize that they're in this situation because they might not experience real love, or they might not have a partner that really cared for them before. So now they're in a situation where they love that person and they're not receiving, but because they're with that person, they'll be like, okay, you know, things might not be perfect, but I'm still with that person, I'm still getting a little. But you have to understand, when you have received love, when you have received, you know, this vast amount of appreciation and love for who you are and the things that you have done and continue to do and support this person, and that person give you back that same energy, it is totally different from a one-way street. It's now a two-way street where you're giving and you're getting, so you're kind of used to that wholesome, you know, body of love now. And it's totally different from those doing. It's totally different. So a lot of people are not used to that. And I just want to say to people that are not used to that, that this is what you should look for. This is what you should look forward to. Like building a strong bond with somebody, ensuring that you're receiving that same energy that you give out, because it takes a lot of time and energy just investing in one individual, investing in one person. It takes a toll on the body, physically, mentally. You can be depressed, you can be drained, it affects your work, it affects your relationship with other people, and you have to be cognizant of that. Sometimes we're just caught up in this world, we're just caught up in our own little bubble, that we don't realize that there's so much more out there. And until we kind of break out of that, you know, realm where we're like, okay, it's just a little bit here and there, you know, we're seeing more out there, we're seeing other people do better, we're like, but wait, my partner can do this too, and we question stuff. Yes, you have a right to question it, because there's so much more that that person can do and they're not doing it. So don't settle for less love, settle for more love. Settle for openness with your partner and ensure that you're getting that same energy. Because if you can get up every morning and tell babe good morning or good evening and they can't do the same, then these are simple stuff. Like, why can't you do that? You don't consider me, you don't care about me. Or check up on me, check if the person eat, check if the person alright, check if the person take their medication, you know, check if they're doing what they're supposed to do. These things go a far way. It's like the little things that really matter, the little things that count, and you have to understand that these things go a far way. When you're sitting down and you're looking at things subconsciously, these things come to life, and you're like, you know, that this person really care about me though. A person that really check for me, and I really appreciate it. Because when you go out there in the world and you have conversation with people and you hear some of the stories that they go through, and you're like, wait, well, my partner do that too. He checks up on me, you know, he care for me, he cook for me, you know, rub my feet, rub my back, you know what I mean, wash for me, all of those stuff. You know, just doing and being there and loving the person and supporting them and support their dreams. They don't shut down their idea. If they come to you with idea and stuff like that, then when they come to you with ideas and stuff like that, they're supported. They don't shut it down and call you an idiot or call you a fool or say that don't make sense, you know. So we have to ensure that, yes, we love people but get love in return. So that's my view on it. Even though I can love somebody and they don't love me back, it's like you're loving at your own risk. You're loving at your own demise, because the consequence, you're the one who have to face that. You're going to have to face that at the end of the day. So ensure that you love and get by the same love. Like I say, I agree that love somebody and get by the same love. Even though, yes, you can still love somebody and not get it back. But my feeling is that I should get by that same energy, the one that I give, or even more. So that's my view on it. Like, I know it might be confusing in a sense, but just tell me how you feel in the comment section below. Oh God, just tell me. Tell me if you love. Tell me, people. Oh Lord, tell me. Oh yes, if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Leave your comments below. If you agree with me, feel free to say so in the comment section. Remember to check out the t-shirt if you want to support the t-shirt and stuff like that. So subscribe and share for more. Thanks for watching JVLOGS, people. Love and be loved and be happy in love. Alright, people, I'm gone.